Hi, I'm Caleb Smith, the director of the University of Minnesota Law School's Federal Tax Clinic. It's my honor and privilege to present this year's Student Director Awards. These awards are available to student directors in any of the law school's 25 clinics. Nominations come from supervising attorneys, staff, and fellow student directors. The nominations are then reviewed and voted on by a selection committee. We had a lot of outstanding nominations for the Student Director Awards this year, and it really called to mind how so many students excelled during extraordinary times to assist both their clients and other student attorneys. The two awards that I'll be presenting are the CLIA Award and the Wennerstrom Award. I'll begin with the CLIA Award. The CLIA Award is the Clinical Legal Education Association's Outstanding Student Award. Each law school is allowed to award this to one student for their excellence in clinical casework and seminar components. This year's CLIA Award winner is Casey Epstein of the Federal Tax Clinic. I was fortunate enough to see Casey's great work firsthand. Casey exemplified the collaborative nature of clinical work, as well as a deep dedication to the clients. Towards his fellow students, Casey helped maintain clinic morale during the pandemic, including organizing an audio escape room. In working with student attorneys, Casey invites dialogue in both editing client letters and in case strategy meetings. Although student attorneys, as opposed to student directors, aren't eligible to submit nominations, it was telling that a student attorney nonetheless reached out to me about nominating Casey for all the great work he's done. Casey's clients echoed this dedication, with two of them contacting me during the summer, asking, almost pleading, if they'd be able to work with Casey again. It wasn't just Casey's positive attitude, but also his competence that shone through. Both of those cases were recently favorably resolved, with the IRS settling the tax debts. Congratulations, Casey, on the well-deserved award. The second award I'll be presenting is the Wennerstrom Award. This award comes with a $200 cash prize, and the winner's name is inscribed on a plaque in the law school clinic. The award is funded by Kent Wennerstrom's parents. Kent Wennerstrom was a former student that found his greatest law school joy in his clinical experience. The award is given out each year to a student director that goes above and beyond their clinical requirements. This year's Wennerstrom Award winner is Catherine Nixon of the Bankruptcy Clinic. Catherine was nominated by the directors of the Bankruptcy Clinic, Clinton Cutler and Chris Wilcox. I note that in discussing Catherine's nomination, clinic administrative staff also had glowing reviews. Catherine excelled in all areas of the clinic, including assisting with the seminar materials, working with clients, and ensuring that the Bankruptcy Clinic, as a whole, functioned efficiently. Catherine was the student director for 4 bankruptcy student attorneys, and the nominator stated that Catherine was an excellent resource in ensuring that the clinic seminar was as efficient as possible, with Catherine helping to break down subject matter to a degree that accommodated students' early lack of familiarity with bankruptcy topics. The nominators also stated that Catherine effectively owned implementing processes resulting from the bankruptcy court's transition to the next-gen platform for electronic filing, including coordinating with clinic staff and providing students with instruction on the creation of individualized PACER accounts and linking those accounts to the clinic account. No small feats. Congratulations, Catherine, and we'll be in touch about the $200 prize. And thank you to every student attorney and student director this year for the great work you put in. You more than rose to the challenge of our first fully remote clinical year. Your clients thank you, your clinical professors thank you, and I thank you.